Tidy Data is a data monitoring platform that ensures ETL's data jobs and data pipeline processes are accurate. Let's get started. After signing up, you'll need to configure your account. Tidy Data integrates all the tools your teams are used to working with. Here, we'll hook up Slack and PagerDuty. Enter the API keys for each service and click Save. Next, let's configure a data source by telling us where your data lives. We support direct connections from a wide list of IPs, or Tidy Data can tunnel through a jump box to access your data sources. Currently, we support Snowflake, Redshift, MySQL, Postgres, and MongoDB. After configuring your data source, you can now set up your checks. We support 4 different types of checks. Use a count check when you're expecting a data set to grow. Tidy Data will alert you when the data isn't updating. In this example, we're going to set up a check to alert us if the customers table isn't growing. We set the alert to email us and also to send us a Slack message. In the next example, we set up an assert check. With this type of check, you return a 1 for a pass and a 0 for a fail in your query. Use an assert check if you have custom requirements that are specific to your business needs. For instance, our example ensures that a table used for analytics does not have more clicks than impressions. Moving on, an equal expression check is when you want to verify that 2 datasets match. This check ensures that your rolled up data matches your source data, especially useful when accurate numbers are critical, like in finance. Our example checks to make sure all completed orders have subsequent completed fulfillment records. Finally, we have an example of a threshold check. Use this check if you want to monitor velocity in your data, such as if you need to be alerted on hourly changes in your business. What we're doing here is setting up a threshold check to alert us if the total number of orders per hour is less than 5,000. The log section shows you the data our system collected. It also shows you what query the system executed to collect the data. Finally, the incidents list shows you all the incidents that were created from failed checks. And that's Tidy Data in 5 minutes.